Hello, my name is the Old Mechanic and I'm still busy on my BMW R1150Gs. Today I'm going to show you how you can renew your own gearbox oil. Is it difficult? Nah, easy as hell. With my video, come on over and we start. Guys, first thing that you always have to do before you get the oil out, this one and that one, so up like this. Okay. Always loosen the filler plug first. Maybe, yes, give it, hop, smack. Okay, that's loose, no problem. Place it over here. Let's see. Oh! This was overfilled. Eh? Way too much oil. Yeah. Guys, what's this for a strange event? They had it on the side stand when they filled up the gearbox. Oh, good dealer. If it was a dealer. Oh. Okay. But now I'm gonna place this one underneath. There it comes, up, up, up. Okay. What kind of oil this is? Old, sure. Okay. Oh well. Now guys, after a full night of dripping out, leaking out, we're gonna fill it. Is it easy? Oh yes, absolute. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the drain plug in with a new copper washer and both need to be torqued with 30 Newton meters. I got my torque wrench and I'm gonna set it to 30 Newton meters. Okay. Up, up, then torqued. Oh, we're gonna give this a really good clean because you want to know if there is no leak when you fill it. Okay, hop, hop, hop. Oh, everything is okay. This one, this one. Now, I'm gonna use Castrol Trans Max Axle 7590. It's long life with smooth drive technology. Yes, that's what we want. And it is certified carbon neutral. Ja. Even kijken. En het is full synthetic also. We're gonna fill it till it's on the edge of this lower side. As we know, there was way too much oil inside. And it should be something like a liter. So we're gonna top like this, up, up. Now, not sure where it is. Get my light. Not yet. Okay. Look. No. Nope. Okay. Nope. Then. Let's have a look where it is. Hey. Start seeing it now. Have to be careful. Okay. Oh. This. Let's see. Not yet, but guys. Sure. Yes, I can already see it is, I guess, over there. So now we have to do a bit. Oh. Tiny bit more, just for the fun of it. Just small squirt. Let's see. Yes, it's right on the edge. Okay. Yep. Now, that was easy, huh? Yeah. Give this a clean. Then we got the filler plug. Come. Okay. Yep. Also need to be torqued at 30. Okay. Yes. This a good clean. Okay. So guys, that was my video about doing an oil change of your gearbox on a BMW R1150Gs. Was it difficult? Absolutely not. Can you do it? Yes, of course. Easy as Dell. With my video, few tools, oil, of course, torque wrench. Now, I hope you like this video. And if you do, please consider a subscription. I really would appreciate that. Hope to see you the next time.